One disadvantage of what I'm going to teach you now is that if you cannot control yourself, please don't do this, because people will love you in the way that if you cannot control yourself, you might end up becoming a womanizer or a woman that follow guys, because this will make people to love you too much. That's one disadvantage of this. Yeah, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are seeing this particular video. Bam! Today guys, I will be teaching you guys the spiritual powers of Okra. Yes, spiritual powers of Okra. Okay, one thing you have to know is that if you don't know how to cook okra, you will expose yourself to enemy to see your plant. That's just it. Anytime you eat okra without adding without adding bitter leaf to it, spiritually, it will expose your plans, everything in your stomach, anything you are thinking. The witches and wizards will be able to see it perfectly without any doubt. They can be able to assess you. So that's why it's good anytime you are cooking okra, always add 1 leaf of bitter leaf, 3 leaf of bitter leaf, or 5 leaves. It should be an odd number, a number that cannot be divided by 2. So just cut the bitter leaf into pieces, either 1 or 3 or 5 or 7. Add it and cut it to pieces. You can wash the bitter leaf before you add it to the to your okra. Okay, it's very important. That's not what we'll be talking about today. That's just a bonus. Today I'll be teaching you guys how you can use okra to be attractive. People will like you, people will be drawn to you, people will just like to come close to you, just like the way okra is drawing. So that's how people will be drawn to you. So all you need is just okra and any types of soap at all. Okra and any types of soap at all you have to do is blend the okra. Okay, blend the okra. After you have blend the okra, then the soap you are using, you can cut it to pieces. Cut the soap you are using into pieces, or you melt it. You can put inside water to melt it. Then once it has melted, then mix the blended okra with your soap you are using. Okay, so mix it together. Then you will be using to bathe at any time you want to bathe. You will see how people will like you, people will love you, people will be attracted to you, and it also draws money to you. It looks simple, but it's very active. Okay, and if you are the type that soap does not normally work for you, what you have to do is that after you have prepared this soap, get 3 seeds of alligator and put it in your mouth. Then after you have chewed it, just swallow the spit, spit out the spit on the soap. Speak the words what you want the soap to do, speak it on the soap. Okay, when you are done with that, come back and testify later. Okay, and I want you to drop it in the comment section that this must work for me. I told you guys there's power in affirmation. Affirm that this must work for you, and I will reply amen to it, so that definitely by God's grace it will work for you. Okay, like the video, and if you have not subscribed, this is your first time of reaching our channel, do well to subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Anything you do not understand, ask question in the comment section and I will get back to you.